Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have an informative video for all our viewers who are managing diabetes and looking for low-carb and low-calorie food options. In this video, we'll explore some delicious and healthy choices that can help you maintain stable blood sugar levels while enjoying your meals. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the food options, let's quickly understand why low-carb and low-calorie foods are beneficial for individuals with diabetes. These types of foods can help regulate blood sugar levels, promote weight management, and reduce the risk of complications associated with diabetes. First, let's focus on low-carb foods. They are essential for managing diabetes because they minimize the impact on blood sugar levels. Here are some great options to consider. 1. Non-starchy vegetables. These include leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, bell peppers, and zucchini. They are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, while being low in carbs. 2. Lean proteins. Foods like skinless chicken, turkey, fish, tofu, and eggs are excellent sources of protein without the added carbohydrates. They help you feel full and satisfied. 3. Healthy fats. Avocado, nuts, seeds, and olive oil are examples of healthy fats that provide essential nutrients and contribute to satiety. However, moderation is key due to their high caloric content. Remember, consulting with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional is crucial to determine the appropriate amount of carbohydrates for your individual needs. Now let's move on to low-calorie foods, which can be helpful for weight management and overall health. Here are some options. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and lettuce are low in calories and high in fiber. They can be the base for delicious salads or added to soups and stir-fries. 2. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only low in calories but also rich in antioxidants and vitamins. They make a perfect snack or addition to smoothies. 3. Greek yogurt. It's a protein-rich and low-calorie dairy option that can be enjoyed as a standalone snack or used as a base for smoothies and desserts. 4. Cauliflower rice. A wonderful substitute for traditional rice, cauliflower rice is low in calories and carbs. It can be used in stir-fries, burrito bowls, and even as a pizza crust alternative. Remember, portion control is important, even with low-calorie foods, as excessive intake can still impact blood sugar levels. Now that we've explored some low-carb and low-calorie options, let's discuss how to put it all together into a balanced meal. 1. Start with a base of non-starchy vegetables. 2. Add a lean protein source of your choice. 3. Incorporate healthy fats in moderation. 4. Season with herbs, spices, and low-sodium sauces for flavor. Remember to monitor your blood sugar levels after trying new foods, and consult your healthcare professional for personalized advice. That wraps up our video on managing diabetes with low-carb and low-calorie foods. By making thoughtful food choices, you can create delicious and satisfying meals that support your health goals. Remember, every person's dietary needs are unique, so it's essential to work with a healthcare professional to create a personalized meal plan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.